On February 17th, 2025, Delta Connection Flight 4819, operated by Endeavour Air, a subsidiary of Delta Airlines, encountered a catastrophic crash landing at Toronto Pearson International Airport. This is the story of the flight's harrowing experience and the remarkable survival of all 80 passengers and crew members aboard. Flight 4819, a routine international flight from Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport to Toronto, was aboard a Bombardier CRJ-900 regional jet. Despite severe weather conditions and strong winds, the flight proceeded as scheduled, with 76 passengers and 4 crew members on board. Upon landing at Toronto Pearson International Airport, the aircraft began to lose control on the runway due to harsh winds and snowy conditions. What followed was a terrifying crash as the plane overturned, igniting a fire on impact. Miraculously, all 80 passengers and crew members survived. 21 sustained injuries, but none were life-threatening. Emergency responders acted quickly, and all injured passengers were treated and discharged within a few days. Authorities from the Transportation Safety Board of Canada, alongside the National Transportation Safety Board, began an in-depth investigation into the cause of the crash. The flight data recorders were recovered, and experts analyzed them to determine what went wrong. Severe weather conditions, including winds up to 64 kilometers per hour and a heavy snowstorm, played a crucial role in the crash. This raises the question of how adverse weather can affect aviation safety. Passengers reported terrifying accounts of the crash, with one passenger, a former paramedic, assisting in the evacuation efforts. Their quick thinking undoubtedly saved lives. In response to the crash, Delta Airlines offered $30,000 to each passenger, with no strings attached. This was a gesture of goodwill, ensuring the survivors were well taken care of in the aftermath of this traumatic event. This tragic event serves as a reminder of the unpredictable nature of aviation and the resilience of those on board. We can only hope that future investigations into the cause of the crash will lead to improved safety measures